Hi there. My name is Dr. Jeff Muntefaring. I'm a conservation biologist with the Minnesota Zoo, but I'm based here in this amazing country called Namibia in Southwest Africa, where I work with a local organization called Save the Rhino Trust. Now, as a conservation biologist, my main job is to help protect species and the habitats and the ecosystems that they need to survive. But what's also cool about being a conservation biologist is you get to work with people too.
Dr. Muntefaring helps people work together to protect the rhinos.
But because I'm a conservation biologist, I'm not only focused on a single species. And we use a lot of different ways to measure whether or not wildlife populations in general are healthy or unhealthy. And one of those measures is something called relative abundance. Now, relative abundance really is just a fancy way of saying how rare or how common one species is relative to another in a given area. And I'm really interested in the relative abundance between herbivores and carnivores in one of Namibia's most famous national parks, Etosha National Park. Now, herbivores, you might know, are animals that eat plants, like springbok and gemsbok and even rhinos and elephants. And carnivores are animals that eat meat, like lions and hyenas. So I have a hypothesis that I need somebody to help me test because I'm busy saving rhinos and I don't have time to get to Etosha to do a survey. But I've asked my good friends Beth and Curtis to go to Etosha and try and test the hypothesis that there's about 30 to 40 herbivores for every carnivore in Etosha National Park. And if we learn what that abundance is, that relative abundance, we'll get a good idea on how healthy that population is and whether or not we should be managing it or in what way. So I'm very thankful for Beth and Curtis to help test the hypothesis and for you guys to all help with as well. So good luck testing that hypothesis, and I hope to see Beth and Curtis here in Namibia. Thank you much.
Thanks, Dr. Muntefaring. Now we have our hypothesis.
Namibia, here we come. Let's go.
Go.